Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the chronograph on your Omega Swatch watch. As you can see, I have two models here, the Mission to the Moon and Mission to Mars, and the one on the right is calibrated, meaning as you can see right here, all watch hands of the chronograph function are pointing at perfectly 12 o'clock, so they are all aligned, compared to the one on the left, which as you can see are all three misaligned. So let's say I were to start the chronograph function, and if I want to stop it and reset it, as you can see, the one on the right perfectly aligns at 12 o'clock while the one on the left is not aligned. So let's do that. If you want to watch even other watch tutorials about this Swatch Omega, how to replace the watch strap, the battery, make sure to check out our YouTube channel because we have a video about that as well. Now the first thing that you want to do is to pull the crown to the first position. Here you can actually press the top pusher in order to reset this sub dial. As you can see, you can also press and hold in order to move faster. Now we are going to use the bottom pusher in order to reset, so to calibrate the seconds hand of the chronograph. You can also once again press and hold in order to speed scroll. Now as you can see, we have these two aligned at 12 o'clock and we need to calibrate the last sub dial. So I'm going to pull the crown to the last position where you would be able to set the time, and here I'm going to press this top pusher in order to calibrate that one as well. So I'm going to go one by one, and as you can see now it is pointing at 12 o'clock. Now I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and now let's see whether the watch has been calibrated or not. I'm going to start the chrono, I'm going to pause it, and now I'm going to reset it. So as you can see, all hands are now aligned at 12 o'clock. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to reset or calibrate your Omega Swatch watch chronograph function. And now you know how to do this. This is going to apply to other Swatch chronograph models as well. So you can do this on other irony or plastic Swatch watch models as well. Once again, if you want to watch more tutorials about the Omega Swatch watch, make sure to check the links in the description below, and also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.